Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can trade tokens and grow a garden game of Roblox new farmers market update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The farmers market update has been dropped and now they have added new coins called tokens, and you can trade your tokens guys. Just use the trading ticket if you want to trade your tokens. You can send trading request or trade request to another player, and then you can give your token or get token from your friend using the trading ticket. And for example, I'm going to add 2 tokens. With this feature, you can give token or get token, just like shackles and also plants and also pets. And I'm going to give 2 tokens and you can accept it. Okay guys, and that's how you can trade tokens and grow a garden game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.